Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Never put the key of your happiness in somebody else's pocket. That one's a classic. And one more card today. Full moon. Protect your energy and hold your stars close. All right, which envelope has our quotes today? Let's pick this little owl. Little itty bitty. Forgiveness is an act of self-love. Wayne Dyer. See the light in all things. If it matters to you, it's important. Don't let anybody talk you out of it. If I'm wrong, educate me. Don't belittle me. Yeah, that's so true. These are so little. Sorry I acted crazy. And it will happen again. That one's cute. Stop choosing what isn't choosing you. And the last one today. Really in the mood for a long drive with no destination. I love those kind of drives. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.